if you are a negative thinker and you don't know how to change that. You ran across this video for a reason. Listen, negative people, there's a lot of y'all that's always just angry, that's always just like not okay with themselves when they speak. They don't know how they're speaking. They just like body language, everything just looks disgusting. It's a disease. Get it out of you. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is dilylahferrari if you're new, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, boo? This video is about how to have a positive energy at all times. People always say to me, how are you always positive? How are you always keeping calm? Don't get me wrong, I have my moments. People that know me know that I have my moments. Don't trigger me. But how is it that you can turn a bad situation into positivity or anything into positivity? How do you do that, right? So the first one I have written down is you are a great example. Everywhere you go, everyone you meet, everyone you talk to, you're a great example. If you're talking to your parents, remind yourself you're a great example. If you're talking to your kid, remind yourself you're a great example. If you're talking to yourself in a mirror, affirmation, remind yourself that you are a great person. You have an argument, I need to be an example of how I can turn this. So it's gonna always come out positive when you speak to people. When you want to give your opinion, always listen first. Never give an answer until that person is done with their opinion, and then you answer. If you have to butt in, do that. Sometimes you need to correct the person, but don't do it with bad intentions. Always be a great example. So that's number one, okay? Set your intentions high and remember that you need to be a great example. The second thing I have written down is get that negative disease out of you. Listen, negative people, there's a lot of y'all that's always just angry, that's always just like not okay with themselves when they speak. They don't know how they're speaking. They just like body language, everything just looks disgusting. It's a disease. Get it out of you. And people don't know that it is a disease. It's okay to be soft. Soft life is okay. People make it seem like when you live a soft life, it's like you're living like some type of weird life. It's not. It's a beautiful thing on this side, honestly. You guys live that soft life, get that negative disease out of you, and watch so much elevate for you. Even like the things that you want, like losing weight, or if you want to manifest a dream home, or if you want to manifest a dream car, you want to manifest people loving you, get the negative disease out of you. Try not to think negative also, because just because you don't talk to people negativity, that was fast, but you can also be a negative thinker. There's a lot of us like that. I was like that at one point. I low-key not like that anymore, because I listen to a lot of Steve Harvey when I wake up, or T. Jakes when I wake up. A lot of motivational things, and they always remind me, stop being a negative thinker. It's not okay. All right, so that's another thing, you guys. It's very late right now, so I'm gonna just have this girl talk flowing, and I hope that you're staying to the end, because the last one is very powerful and it can help you in major ways. The third thing I have written down is listen to gospel or positive or slow jam music. So listen to gospel music, slow jam music, or positive podcasts or anything in that nature. Anything positive, listen to it. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, a lot of people are upset with me because I listen to gospel music almost 24 hours. Not okay, almost okay. I do listen to Afro beats, and I do listen to positive music. I just love positivity around me. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, a lot of my friends show it to me that they don't like that. We could be driving and I want to be calm. I don't want to, it's already a lot of traffic and stuff. I want to be calm, and I'm listening to gospel music. They'll be like, oh, huffing and puffing. And I gotta like deal with that, you know. They could have drove themselves, but long story short, listen to that so that it can fix you in the inside. I do that for me, not for them. If you are a negative thinker and you don't know how to change that, you ran across this video for a reason. I need everyone to just be positive. This world is a crucial world. We need to become more positive. Why should you engage in negativity? You can't gain nothing when you're negative. You could gain so much when you're positive and you hang around positive people. How to have a positive energy at all times. Speak yourself into existence. This is key to life. Speak yourself to existence. Anything that you want, I'm practicing it right now, and I feel like I'm about to get everything. I know I'm about to get everything. I'm trying to change my words also. Change your words on how you say things. If you want that car, say, I'm going to have that car. That's my dream car. That's what I'm going to buy next. Know that that is it. My battery is definitely dying. I got to change it. All right, y'all. So I just put those 2 batteries into the charger, and I hope that you are taking down some notes on what I'm saying. I want to go back to number 4 where I said listen to gospel music or positive podcasts and stuff like that. I want to put y'all on to a young pastor called Pastor Mike Todd that preaches at Transformation Church. I dream to go to that church one day because I love the way he talks. I know a lot of people don't like him and they talk very bad about him, but I pray for him. I pray for his family, and I love that he is so freaking real, y'all. He is so real, and when I watch him, I feel like my whole week changed. T.D. Jakes is another one if you're looking for a good pastor to watch. There's a whole lot of them. Transformation Church, they have different pastors that preaches. It's not just Pastor Mike Todd, but you guys go and look that up on YouTube. Go to Pandora, go to Apple Music and look up some positive affirmation podcasts. It will change your life, I promise you. But we were on number 5 where I said speaking to existence. I hope you understood that one. Now we're going to go to number 6. You guys, I promise you the last one is really, really good. So please stay tuned. Number 6 is pray and cry to God. Pray and cry to God. If you have no one to talk to, go to the higher God. Please do. The Spirit will lead you there when you get on your knees and pray. I had to tell, the airplanes are very loud over here, but I'm going to try to not make this video too long either. So I had to tell one of my friends at work, he looked super depressed. And I was like, what's the matter? Why are you, he keep coming to me to have little conversations because he like my vibe, honestly. So I'm just like, what's the matter? You off lately, like, you know? So he's like, oh, he's going through some things. And I said, you don't even got to tell me, and I already see it in your face. I already see it through you. So I was like, he was like, he don't know what to do. I said, listen, just get on your knees tonight. As crazy, you probably never done that before. Just get on your knees and pray. Watch your tears just start flowing when you start talking to God. You're going to release so much energy that you don't need inside of you. If you did something bad, go and pray to God. Go ask for forgiveness, you guys. God is so good. He's gonna change your whole life around once you give it to him and just allow him to enter your spirit. I know y'all, some people probably don't believe in God, but I truly believe in God, and I feel it when I talk to him. And I want to go to the trees and talk, out, and I want to do these things. I will watch. But stay subscribed and watch when I take y'all with me to the trees to go pray and cry. But get on your knees, pray and cry to God. Let all your problems onto him. Do not take control of anything, you guys. Let God take control and watch everything be awesome for you. Number 7 is everyone is born to love. People created hate. Do you understand that? Everyone is born to love. When you was a baby, you knew nothing about hate. Why all of a sudden you hate people? Why all of a sudden you have hate in your heart? You never had that when you was little. Okay, now you have an understanding and you should create it. No. Always keep that same little inner kid that's inside of you alive. Okay? Just keep that in your head. I'm not even going to get too much into that. Number 8 is try to do right. If it's not right, it's not for you. So try to do right. If it's not right, if you're in a store and you decided that you need to steal something, either the line is too long or whatever the case is, you feel like you need to steal that, put it down. Is it worth it? Imagine you get caught at the door. What you gonna say? What you gonna tell your parents? Yeah. Let's think about it before we do something bad. Do what's right. If you have to teach a lesson, which is what we on this earth to do, you do that, okay? Find your purpose and teach a lesson. Do what's right, you guys. Don't do the wrong. Don't do the bad. Do the right. It's gonna change and open so many crazy doors. If you want to become rich, if you want to do the right. Don't do the bad. The 9th thing I have written down is ask God to help you with obedience. 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 I'm gonna keep saying that word so that it can get to you. Obedience. It's gonna feel so good. I try to practice obedience every day. If someone doesn't like something and I'm living with them, I try to be obedient to them. God wants me to be obedient. God wants me to be obedient to him. So I try not to practice the sinful things. I not going to do those things, I try to preach his word and I try to be obedient to him because that's what's right. And if you want a better life, you have to be obedient. Just do what's right, do what he say, and watch you elevate so much, y'all. I hope y'all listening. I hope y'all listening. I hope y'all taking notes, and I hope that y'all getting this, because I don't do these videos like this that often. And if you stumble across this video, it was meant for you. All right, y'all. So I have 10 things written down, and this is the last one. This one is major key. Major key. How to have positive energy at all times. If you practice this every day, I promise you your life is going to elevate and be so great. So the 10th thing I have written down is treat people with care and love. Treat people with care and love. Treat people with care and love. That is major key in life. If no one didn't tell you that yet, if your parents didn't tell you that, I know the Caribbean parents don't really tell people that. They don't even show their love at all. But remember, treat people with care and love. If you see somebody unfortunate, then you give. It bounce back, okay? Give. Keep giving, even if it don't bounce back. Oh, I gave last time, I ain't seen nothing. Doesn't matter. Keep doing it. Treat people with care and love. Older people, children, your neighbors, everyone. Treat them with love. Be an example. And watch how life elevate for you. You guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This is the how to be positive energy at all time. How to have a positive energy at all time. I love you guys so much. Please be great out there and continue to spread the love and all of that good stuff. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment anything that you want down and below. Let me know what you think of this video, or share it to someone that you feel like need this video. I love you so much, and be great out there. See you in my next one.
Hey, in case no one's told you lately, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you for pushing through everything that you're going through. You are so much stronger than you give yourself credit for, and you are capable of doing anything in this world. I believe in you.